In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK on your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open Safari browser, but it's fine if you are using any other browser. Then just access google.com. Once you are there, just start typing Java, not Java, Oracle, Java download, and then hit return key of your Mac computer. Now you'll see Java downloads link is there. Just click over there and you will be directly accessing the Oracle's Java download page. Here you will see all different versions of Java you can download. So right now JDK 25, JDK 21, these are the versions available. Not these two. If you scroll, you'll also see some other versions also available. Like Java AC subscribers have more choices like 17, 11, 8 and so many things. So just choose the version whichever you are using. Now let's come to the version I'm going to install. So I'm going to install JDK 25, which is the latest one, and here it is mentioning JDK 25 is the latest long-term support and it release of Java AC platform. Okay, so this is the latest version and I have to download this software first and then only we can install it. I'm using Mac computer, so we have to jump directly to Mac OS. So I just clicked over there and very shortly it will give us a table like thing where there is link and this side there is description. We just need to download the installer for Mac OS version. And here you will see there are a couple of entries are there. This is installer and this is installer. So there are differences between these two. So I'm going to tell you. If you are using like Apple Silicon Mac, then you have to download this version. Otherwise, you have to download this version. This is for Intel computer x64. This is for Intel processor. But for your case, if your Mac actually or MacBook or iMac is Intel version, then you have to use this installer. But how can you check whether my computer is Intel version or Apple Silicon? So we can easily check that. We have to click Apple menu and from here we have to choose about this Mac and here you will see Apple M chip. So right now I'm using M processor. For your case, if you are using Intel, then you will see a change over there. You will not see M. M means Apple Silicon, like that. Now I'm going to close this thing. So I'm going to install this version, right? So this is the correct installer for my Mac. So I have to click over there and very shortly it will bring like this type of window to ask me permission whether I want to download it or not. I'm going to download it, so I'm going to press the allow button and very shortly it will be downloaded over there. So it's like 207 megabyte of file. So once it is downloaded, just double click over there to start the installation and it will bring like this type of window. We have to double click over there JDK and it will open like this. So this browser we don't need anymore. I'm going to minimize or close whatever you want you can do. Okay, so now this is the installer window. So this is the first welcome screen. So what we need to do, we have to press the continue button. I'm going to press the continue button and here it is showing how do you want to install this software. Install for all users of this computer. So basically if your Mac has multiple users, then it will give you this option. Otherwise it will install for the current like user. So I'm going to choose this option and then I'm going to press the continue button. I'm going to click here and very shortly it is showing me the details like how much space is required. Here it is telling me this will take almost 400 megabyte of space on my computer. Okay, and if we want to change the default install location, we can also change from here, but the default installation location is fine for me. So I'm going to press the install button to start the installation. And now it is asking me to type the password of this Mac. So I'm going to type the password for this Mac and then we have to press the install software, this option, and here you will see it is starting installation. And once the installation is successful, then it will give you install succeeded and there is a close button. I'm going to press this close button and here it is showing do you want to move the JDK installer to the trash. We already installed the software, right? So basically we don't need anymore. So I'm going to press this button, move to trash, and that will be removed. And that's it. In this way we can easily install. Now let's check how we can configure this thing. Now I'm going to open the terminal by pressing this spotlight search, and then very shortly it will open the spotlight search. Here I'm going to type the command terminal ter, and then I'm going to find this. So I see terminal is there, double click over there, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now at first I'm going to verify whether Java is installed properly or not. So I'm going to type the command java then space dash version, and then I'm going to hit return key. And if Java is installed successfully, then we'll get this thing. So I'm going to increase the size of this command prompt so that it is easy to check, basically to read. Now we need to set the Java home, right? So to set the Java home, at first we need to check where Java is installed. To check that, we can use the command slash user then slash library exe this on, and then finally we have to type java underscore home then space dash v. So we just need to type this command, this line of command we just need to type, and once we type it, then we have to hit return key, and here it will show us the install location of Java. So that means this location Java is installed, and here it is showing Java virtual machine, and right now I have only Java virtual machine which is version 25. If you have multiple Java JDK installed, then you'll see the list of those one by one. So this is the path actually I'm going to configure this thing. So I'm going to right click to copy this thing so that next time I can use it. I just copied it, and now I'm going to modify some configuration using some editor. It is called y editor, y then space, then we have to type tilde then slash dot zshrc. So we need to type this command to open this thing in y editor, and then hit return key, and here you will see like this. So this is a shell prompt basically. So at first you will see this type of thing is there, that means and there is nothing. So at first we need to modify this prompt as insert mode. So I'm going to type I key. So now we'll see insert. Now I'm going to type on line of command or line expression, something like that, export. It starts with export, port export, then is equal space, then Java home, Java underscore home. So we just need to type this thing, export export then space Java home. So we need to type this thing and then equal sign, and then we need to paste that path. We can click edit and paste, and this is the path we just copied, right? So here we see this is the path. Once we type this thing, then we have to press escape key 2 times. So I'm going to type I'm going to press escape key 2 times. So once you press escape key 2 times, you will see there is nothing. Now start typing colon WQ. That means it will be saved, and then hit return key. Once you hit return key, it will be gone and it will be looking like this. Now we need to we just modified this thing. Now we need to save that configuration. To save that configuration, we need to type source space then tilde dot then that thing. We modified this very shortly, like few minutes before, right? This thing I just typed over there, and then we have to hit return key, and here it is showing this thing. So basically I mistyped something probably. So here it is giving me one message like no such user or name directory dot. So there is a mistake of this command, so I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to retype it again. So here it should be source. So this dot should be after slash, and then this command is fine. Now I'm going to hit the return key, and very shortly it will be saved. Now if we try to check whether the Java home is installed properly or configured properly, then we can type the command echo then Java $sign Java underscore home, and then hit return key, and here you see that Java home is properly configured. And that's it. In this way we can easily download, install, and later we can configure Java on our Mac computer.